Best hotels in Hoi An, Vietnam. Welcome to my video about the best hotels in Vietnam for travelers in 2023. Hoi An is a beautiful city located in central Vietnam, and it's a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our picks for the best hotels in Hoi An. We'll also be discussing what makes each hotel unique and why it's worth considering when planning your trip. So take a seat back, unwind, and let's discover the top hotels in Hoi An. Number 1. Anantara Hoi An Resort. Anantara Hoi An Resort is a luxurious and tranquil treat for travelers. It's located on the banks of the Tu Ban River and offers stunning views of the river and nearby mountains. It's less than a kilometer from Hoi An's historic district and also adjacent to Hoi An Market and Hoi An Night Market. The variety of activities available to visitors includes kayaking, fishing, and cycling. The resort also has a spa, a fitness center, an outdoor pool, and a number of restaurants, providing both regional and international cuisine. The rooms are roomy and contemporary with private balconies that look out over the grounds or river. Visitors can partake in cultural events like cooking classes and lessons in traditional Vietnamese dance. Vietnamese, English, French, and Chinese Mandarin are the languages you can speak. Number 2. Four Seasons Resort, the Nam Hai. The Four Seasons Resort, the Nam Hai in Hoi An, Vietnam, is an opulent 5-star hotel by the sea. The resort has a beach bar, a poolside bar, and a round-trip airport shuttle. This hotel is a perfect place to soak up the sun with a private beach and eating options. At the on-site spa, you can pamper yourself with a massage, aromatherapy, or a manicure or pedicure. The 2 on-site eateries serve up foreign cuisine as well as other dishes. Basketball is one of the activities available in the gym, along with yoga courses. In addition to the balcony and on-site shopping, visitors may stay connected with the free Wi-Fi in their rooms. The hotel has 3 outdoor swimming pools with 1 for kids, as well as sun loungers and pool umbrellas. Additionally, it offers free bicycle rentals, free self-parking and valet parking, 4 outdoor tennis courts, concierge services, wedding services, a gift store, and help with tours and tickets. Number 3. La Siesta Hoi An Restaurant and Spa. Danang, Hoi An is where the La Siesta Hoi An Resort and Spa is situated. At the spa, visitors can treat themselves to a relaxing massage or unwind in the garden. There's free use of bicycles and Wi-Fi throughout the property. A private balcony or a window with views of the swimming pool, a verdant garden, or a rice field is included in every air-conditioned room. There's a laptop and a flat-screen TV with cable channels available in every room. Furthermore, every room has a private bathroom with either a bath or a standing shower. There are bathrobes, slippers, and free toiletries available for your comfort. Hoi An La Siesta Resort and Spa is 0.7 miles away from the Assembly Hall of the Cantonese Chinese Congregation and the Japanese Covered Bridge, while Hoi An Ancient Town is 701 meters away. 19 miles separate this property from Danang International Airport. Old Town and An Bang Beach can be reached via free shuttle service provided by the hotel. Number 4. Vinh Emerald Resort and Spa. The quiet neighborhood of An Hoi is home to the Vinh Emerald Resort and Spa. The resort is a 10-minute walk from the ancient town of Hoi An and situated along the banks of the lovely Tu Ban River. 52 beautifully furnished rooms with free internet are available at the resort. Every room has been tastefully arranged to optimize views of the garden, pool, and river. The restaurant is the ideal setting for savoring a breakfast buffet and a variety of all-day dining delights. Healthy beverages and an all-day snack selection are provided on the inviting patio area. The bar offers a variety of shakes, chilled drinks, and tropical fruit cocktails, among other things. The Hoi An cuisine scene from ancient eras is still accessible. On your special day, you can delight in a nice dinner. To add a particular touch to this romantic occasion, the resort prepared a table for 2 near the river. Number 5. Palm Garden Beach Resort and Spa. Cam An in Hoi An is where you'll find the Palm Garden Beach Resort and Spa. It's on a private beach and is in the suburbs. A terrace, a poolside bar, and a round-trip airport shuttle are all available. This resort is the ideal spot to soak up some sun with a private beach, beach massages, and sun loungers. At the on-site spa, reward yourself with a body scrub, a body treatment, or a facial. The 2 on-site eateries serve up foreign cuisine as well as other dishes. Along with sports like beach volleyball, kayaking, and motorboating, you can enjoy the gym. All visitors have access to on-site shopping, a cafe, and free Wi-Fi in their rooms. Air conditioning and 24-hour room service are included in each room. You're able to communicate in English, Filipino, French, and Chinese Mandarin along with Vietnamese. Number 6. Life Heritage Resort Hoi An. Along the beautiful Thu Ban River is where you'll find Life Heritage Resort Hoi An. The distance to Hoi An Center is merely a few steps from this resort. Visitors may easily access Qua Dai Beach from this property, after a 5-kilometer way. The resort is located 100 miles from the imperial city of Hue, 45 kilometers from the Mai Son Heritage Site, and 35 kilometers from the Danang Airport. This resort's unique ambiance and atmosphere are created by the fusion of French, Dutch, Chinese, and Japanese cultural elements, making it one of the best places to stay in Hoi An. Superior rooms, junior suites, and grand suites are the 3 main types of air-conditioned rooms that the resort owns, totaling 94. Every room radiates warmth and comfort to the highest degree, with views of the expansive river or lush gardens. Number 7. Ancient House Village Resort and Spa. Cam Than's Hoi An Ancient House Village Resort and Spa is situated on a river in a rural environment. You'll be able to comprehend the locals' heart simplicity and truthfulness. This small, historic town proudly keeps its traditional wooden structures and charming alleys that front a tranquil river scene. And it's still firmly rooted in the past. An airport shuttle, a poolside bar, and a balcony are the things you can count on. The resort offers an on-site spa, Ancient House Village Spa, body scrubs, massages, and facials. Asian cuisine is served in the on-site restaurant and field restaurant. All visitors can take advantage of free Wi-Fi in their rooms, a garden, and a hair salon. All 60 rooms provide thoughtful extras like air conditioning and bathrobes, in addition to conveniences like 24-hour room service and work with laptops. Also, it includes daily housekeeping, deep soaking tubs, luxury toiletries, 26-inch TVs with premium channels, balconies or patios, wardrobes, and closets. Number 8. Sunrise Premium Resort Hoi An. Sunrise Premium Resort Hoi An is a luxurious resort located in the heart of Hoi An, Vietnam. It offers guests a unique experience with its stunning views of the Thu Ban River and the surrounding countryside. The resort features a variety of amenities, including an outdoor pool, spa, fitness center, and several restaurants. Guests can also enjoy activities such as kayaking, fishing, and biking. The resort also offers a variety of accommodation options ranging from deluxe rooms to villas with private pools. With its convenient location and excellent service, Sunrise Premium Resort Hoi An is the perfect place for travelers looking for a relaxing getaway in Vietnam. Whether you're looking for a romantic escape or an adventure-filled holiday, this resort has something for everyone. Number 9. Premier Village Danang Resort. New Han Son is home to this resort. A beach bar, a poolside bar, and a grocery and convenience shop are all to be anticipated. This resort has a white sand beach, eating options right on the sand, and free beach cabanas, making it the ideal location for some sunbathing. Visit the sauna or steam room and treat yourself to a facial, body scrub, or body wrap for some rest and relaxation. The 2 on-site restaurants offer regional and international food, a poolside setting, and ocean views. The gym offers yoga and aerobic sessions, and there's also beach volleyball to play. All visitors can enjoy the rooftop terrace, the on-site shopping center, and the coffee shop/cafe. 2 outdoor pools, 1 for kids, complimentary cabanas, and pool umbrellas are all available at the resort. The resort offers complimentary bicycle rentals, free self-parking, a buffet breakfast, for a fee, a computer station, tour and ticket assistance, and a lobby TV. And the final one on our list is number 10. Fusion Maia Danang. Fusion Maia combines a 5-star resort with a top-notch all-inclusive spa in a novel and fascinating way. The resort features an all-pool villa style, providing 87 pool suites, spa villas, and beach villas, each with a contemporary open-plan living area and a private courtyard with a pool. The resort's convenient position makes it only a 10-minute drive from Da Nang's downtown, 20 minutes from the airport, and 20 minutes from the diverse Hoi An Old Town. If you found this video useful, we sincerely appreciate you subscribing to our channel. If you visited these hotels, please leave a comment.